Hi, I'm Dave Robinson, Applications Team Leader here at Makino Auburn Hills. Today I'm going to do a filter change on our new EDAF version C. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to hit the drain valves and the pressure relief. Open those up. So then we're going to wait a few minutes for the oil to drain down from the filters. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to get it to drain down. There's a small tube on the side. When it gets into the green zone, we're ready to open that filter canister up. So it looks like we're ready to go. First thing we're going to do is take the filter canister lid off by turning the large nut. We're going to set that off to the side for now. Second thing we need to do is take off the nut that holds the filters in the canister. Set that off to the side. So we can now pull our oil drain tray out. This is a drip tray just in case we spill anything. Grab the filter tray, slide it out. So inside of the filter tray we have 2 filters here. So we would remove that filter of the machine, replace the 2 filters. When we're done, slide the tray back in, put the filter casing nut back on, snug it up nice and tight, and then lastly put the filter canister back on. Snug that nice and tight, slide the tray back in place, close our air drain, oil drain, close the door, and we're complete.